I love all types of popcorn, from the really basic one, which is just butter and salt, to the sweet varieties, just like the one I'll be making you now. This is my caramel popcorn with a hint of salt. It is to die for. And if you're just chilling on the couch and need a little snack, this is the one for you. So I've got 2 pots ready to go here. In this one, we're going to melt some sugar. So we're just going to sprinkle that in and make a caramel. We want this to go a really deep colour. I'm also going to add some butter. So a few knobs of butter. And I'm doing this on my induction so we get the accuracy. When you're making caramel, that's what you want, so you don't get those hot spots. We get a beautiful even cook. So you can see how fast it starts to turn. I'm just going to allow that to bubble away and allow that butter to melt in with the sugar. While that's bubbling away, let's make some popcorn. So a few tablespoons of vegetable oil or grapeseed oil, so a neutral flavoured oil, can go into a pot. And we'll turn this up onto, we want a medium heat for this, so turn that onto about 5 or 6, and we'll add our corn kernels. The lid can go on. Make sure you put the lid on because it does go everywhere. We're just going to wait for that to heat up, and you'll see it'll start to pop. It's the best sound ever, isn't it? When there's silence, you know that the popcorn is ready. But just to be 100% safe, just give it a really good shake after you've taken it off the heat so there's no more popping to happen. And also look at this caramel. It's golden, it's a perfect colour. And now I'm going to add some bicarb soda. Now the reason I add the bicarb soda is so we get a soft caramel as opposed to a really chewy caramel. So mix that in. You'll see that bicarb start to foam up. It almost looks like lava. Now we're going to add this to our popcorn. So just pour it over, drizzle, and give it a really good mix so it becomes quite sticky. That looks so good. Now I'm just going to pour this into a tray with baking paper. And it is piping hot because that is caramel. So you just want to let it sit. And this popcorn is going to start to go firm as it cools down. Don't forget the salt though, a sprinkle of salt, and that'll stick to the caramel. This is so yummy. Sometimes I make this, pop it into little bags as gifts, or to be honest, it's just nice just to have yourself in front of the TV with a good movie. So good.